What I wish I knew when I started woodworking. The secret to quick sales and high demand. First up, cutting boards. They're simple to make, highly functional and always in demand. Customize them for a personal touch and watch them fly off the shelves. Next, we have picture frames. With endless design possibilities, these are perfect for showcasing cherished memories. Plus, they're easy to produce in bulk. Third on the list, wooden toys. These nostalgic items are a hit with parents looking for unique handcrafted gifts. Think simplicity and charm. Then there's furniture. Small pieces like stools or side tables can be both practical and stylish. Tailor them to current trends for maximum appeal. Finally, planters. With the growing love for indoor gardens, these are a green thumb's best friend. Easy to make, and they sell like hotcakes. Access the woodworking plans in the description to bring your ideas to life. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and share your results with us. See you next time. Happy woodworking!